Welcome to the channel, guys. Crochet Revolution. This is Carrie. I'll be your tour guide throughout as many crochet adventures as we can handle. Today we are going to be making a boutique ruffled scarf. It looks complicated, but it really isn't. So let's move this finished one aside. And you're going to need a 5mm hook, boutique sashay yarn. Focus, go on, focus. There. Oh, no focus. Oh well. And one pair of scissors. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's find our end. It's not our end. There's our end. Okay. So now when you pull your yarn apart, it's going to look like this. And there's lots of little holes. It almost looks like fishnet. So what we're going to do is make sure you guys can see everything. So we're going to take this. We're just going to fold it. Just like that. We're going to skip this first one here. Oh, let me get a little more centered. I'm going to skip this first one here and take our hook. This I would like to call intermediate, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. I'm going to take our yarn, our hook, and we're going to put it through just like that. And it's kind of like Tunisian crochet, which we'll get into in later videos because I'm looking really forward to trying some of those patterns. So we've got one on here. What we're going to do is we're going to put each one of these little stitches that we have right here, right there, and we're going to put 10 on our hook. So we have one. The first starting is a little difficult, so that's 2, but we're going to take this one that kind of controls your end. So that's 2. And we're going to kind of yarn over here. That's 3, 4. Yeah. It's hard to do this slower because I'm used to going a lot faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we've got 10 on our hook. And we're going to just bunch those up a little bit like that. And our next one, which is our 11th one, we're going to take, and we're going to go like this. We're going to just yarn over, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First ruffle made. Almost. Next, we're going to skip this one. We don't need this one. He just wants to hang out by himself. And we're going to repeat that. We're going to go 10 on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we've got 10 on there, and we're going to bunch them all together. And on this 11th, which is right here, I'm going to pull all the way through. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9. Guess we've got an extra one in there. That's okay. That's fine. Here we go. Next ruffle made. We're going to skip. Excuse me. I gotta keep trying to center myself here. Skip this one, move over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip. And take this one and pull through all. Just be careful that you don't lose any stitches because it will all fall apart and you'll have to start all over again, which I've done many times in the past. Okay, again, we're going to skip and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And grab this one, and now we're going to pull through all. Okay. Again, he's going to hang out by himself. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab our next stitch and pull through all, maybe. Nailed it. Okay. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and pull through all. I'm going to try and do all my videos in real time. If it's an extended project, like a larger blanket or a cardigan or something along those lines, I will split it into parts so that everybody can follow along and pause me whenever they need to, etc. Stuff like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, see, now here's where you can get a little lost. And this is where mistakes can happen. So be very careful, because yarn can be difficult. Just make sure you're pulling through all of them. You don't want to start over. And see, our ruffles are starting to come. Starting to look really pretty. And we still have lots of yarn to go, but we're going to keep going. And again, skip this one. We're going to put 10 on our hook again, and we're going to keep going until we get to the end. So from this point on, I'll just go my normal speed, and we'll meet at the end. Don't worry. There'll be a little music for you to listen to. Let's see, now I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. There'll be a little bit of music for you. Maybe some sped up so we can get to the end. Who knows? We'll see. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to comment too. It'll help me for analytics, I guess. I don't know. But also, if you have any suggestions or thoughts or ideas or what you'd like to see me do next, just write it down in the comments section below and we'll make a video of it. And we'll do step by step. Yes, the utter concentration. Sometimes it's a lot more difficult to do some of these things on camera than it is sitting there watching your favorite television show. What do you like to watch while you're crocheting? Or if you're just brand new, what do you want? What do you how do I put that? What's your favorite TV series or movie series that you just like to watch, period? I might check it out. Oh, now we got a snag. See, that's what happens. So you gotta be careful of this last one here. This is the one that we pulled through the last, I guess, ruffle. And if it's too far on your hook over here, and you forget about it, and you grab this, everything else along here is going to be falling out. So let's push that back up there. There we go. Skip one. Can hear the clickety clack. That's my dog in the background, wondering what's going on. How come I can't go outside? All the cats are on the couch. It's no fun. And don't forget to include your fur babies in your crochet, or they will definitely include themselves. So now we've done a few. If you notice, starting to really kind of poof out. And our end looks nice. And we're going to keep going. So I'll bring you back as soon as we get to the end. Oh, it's shaky. Okay, so we're now at the end of our yarn. And all we're going to do is this. We've got this. We just pull it up a little bit. And take this whole thing. And of course it has to be difficult. And I'm going to pull it right through that stitch, if we can find it. Here it is. Right through. So pull the whole thing through like this. All right. And we're going to take this and we're going to just tie a knot. Take our scissors and cut off any extra, just like that. Toss it away, and there we go. Scarf is complete. I don't know if we got that all on video, but we're gonna just give me a moment here. We're moving, and there it is, guys. Your first ruffle scarf. You're gonna give this to friends, family, sell it, do what you want with it, wear it. It'd be great if you wore it. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Till next time, may the adventure continue.